How to pay Prime Video subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can pay for Prime Video subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to pay for Prime Video subscription, all you have to do is simply go in and first of all make sure to launch the Prime Video application, as you would be able to find it over here. Once you just launch the Prime Video application, you will be able to see this type of interface where you want to make sure to sign into your account. Then just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, then tap the gear icon from the top right again. Now if you want to pay, by default if you have entered your payment details, it is going to automatically deduct the balance. You don't have to pay it manually. But if you want to just review it, first of all go to manage account button here. Once you go to manage account, over here you'll be able to see all of your membership details. As you can see, I don't have a subscription to Prime Video, so if I want to pay them, I need to select my payment method and then I'll be able to pay them. To do that, just tap on the set payment method option. As I tap on set payment method, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your card information here. Once you enter the card information, just tap the add a card button and then you'll have successfully paid for Prime Video subscription. This way you can pay Prime Video subscription. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.